Update KB5089573, KB5092427. Install error devices missing important security updates. 1. Restart your computer, save all open work, click Start, Power, Restart, wait for Windows to reboot. Check for updates again. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Open Settings, go to System, Troubleshoot. Other troubleshooters, find Windows Update, click Run, apply any suggested fixes, restart your PC. Number 3, check date and time settings. Open Settings, Time and Language. Click Date and Time, Enable, Set Time Automatically, Set Time Zone Automatically, restart your PC. 4, free up disk space. Open Settings, System, Storage, delete temporary files, remove unnecessary applications, ensure at least 20 gigabytes of free space, retry the update. Number 5, run System File Checker, SFC, open Command Prompt as administrator, type SFC/scanow, press Enter, wait for the scan to finish, restart the PC. Number 6, repair Windows image with DISM, open Command Prompt as administrator, run DISM online, cleanup image, restore health, wait for completion, restart your computer. Number 7, reset Windows Update components, open Command Prompt as administrator, stop Windows Update services, rename software distribution Catroot 2, restart update services, reboot your PC. 8, temporarily disable third-party antivirus, disable your antivirus protection, pause any firewall software from third parties, install the update, re-enable protection afterward. Number 9, install the update manually. Visit the Microsoft Update catalog, search for KB5089573, KB5092427, download the correct version, run the installer manually, restart your PC. Number 10, perform an in-place repair upgrade. Download the latest Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Run the tool, choose to keep personal files and apps, complete the repair installation, check for updates after reboot.